Oh man, time to jet it. What did you just do?
The pipes are a little warm. Welcome back.
Out, so it's not jetted for out here now. That's all it takes, dude. It's like
70 degrees in the cold, not 50 degrees outside.
Can try putting the choke on. Way too lean. It's getting that cold air and it just kills it. So, it is what it is. Fuck with it tomorrow.
It'll be a little warmer. Well, how's it feel?
It's still lean.
Still lean?
Even with the airbox taped off. Dude, what a fucking beast.
Thing sounds like a ripper.
I forgot a Banshee had 6th gear until I hit 6th gear. I was like, this is nice. This is nice. Wow. What a ripper. What a freaking ripper.
We flew past.
Well, we'll do some more jetting in tomorrow's video. We'll do a final video. Take it for a test drive, wear the chest cam, put a helmet on, all the fun stuff you're supposed to do. Go from there. This thing's badass though. Alex, you can even hear. Go ahead and start this thing. Give her a start. It makes me proud when you can start a bike. Banshee's kickstart really nice. All right.